Hello, guys. Welcome to this session that you want to have right now. On this session, I'll try just to touch a few stuff that you guys also can start using when you see them in the market. So I'm making this one. I'm making this one just as simple as possible. This is gonna be the quick one, so that you guys are gonna be able to identify the stuff that I wanna start. I wanna show you right now. The first things I wanna do is this one. I think we discussed about this one already in the group.
Too much noise in the background. Can someone mute his audio?
Let me mute all of them so that they can. Yeah. So this one, me and you guys, we talk about this one already in the group, where I was sharing all this information. I was telling you guys what you have to do. The only thing that you need to understand, if you understand properly, we've got the level of liquidity that is here. This is a liquidity area. This up move here, all this level here is the level of liquidity. Let me just use this one. This level here is level of liquidity. We have a liquidity that is on top. If we can understand there, we have, oh la la, now this is now become a problem. So we have the level of liquidity that is on top, and down again, we have another level, the level of liquidity also is downside here, where market is playing. If we can check properly, market is playing between the two levels of liquidity. Then markets break on the downside. Markets break and come here down. If you check part of my video, the one that I explained, I say something like this. Sometimes we have market that give us a higher move, this impulsive move. Then next minute, we see the market come down, give us another down move. Then market push again upside, give us another movement. Then at the end of the day, you see markets drop. So in markets drop, what is the focus of the institution, what they are doing? What they are doing is they are targeting the level of liquidity that is here down. They are targeting the level of liquidity, the one that is up. Why they are doing that? Because when people, they are buying from here to go up, all the stop loss of people, they are down here. That is why there is a stop loss of people. And all people, they are selling, their stop loss, their on top here. Let's say someone is doing a swing trade, like most of the swing trade. What is going to happen is, because markets drop down like this, then what the institution, they'll make sure to bring this market again upside, check out this liquidity. Now, this time they'll take now the normal movement. So when they check the normal movement, they come down again. They must take again the liquidity, the one that we have here down, this liquidity here below. They must take this liquidity. Now they make sure. I think the person says cannot hear me. You need to fix your microphone, because your microphone is the one that got the problem. So if we can check properly, what they do, they took out this level of liquidity. They took the up liquidity. Now they drop this market down. So another thing that they'll do, because when they are coming down, they'll look for a level inside here, where they've already created what you call, let me just reduce this thing. So where they'll come and try to mitigate somewhere here. Maybe let's say they have a block that they left here, they left an institution candlestick that is here. So they'll make sure, let me do something. So they'll make sure they'll come and mitigate this block, the one that they created somewhere here in between. So when they come back again up here, now you see they'll push again market where they push market again down. So what I'm explaining is the same scenario that we see on this level. If you go and check my previous video, you see I did these things. I said about this thing, okay, this is what is going to happen. So they'll make sure they take out this level of liquidity. They'll check out the liquidity up. Now they'll push the market again down. When in the near future, they'll make sure they come back again to come and mitigate the level. This is what happened here. We've got a level of liquidity, two levels of liquidity, the one that is here. They take out the liquidity down because they come and mitigate. If you can check on this area here, if you can check on this area here, we've got inefficiency that is there. That is the inefficiency. They target this inefficiency. Now they push market again up. Take out all this level of liquidity. Now they drop again market down. So when they drop market down, check what happened. What they did, they took out this level of liquidity, the one that is here. They took out this level of liquidity. When they took out this level of liquidity, they push again markets up. Now they are pushing markets to where? Because if you can check this candlestick, the one that is here, they buy on this candlestick to sell. They buy to sell. So this candlestick used to send people on the wrong side of the market because so many people, they know, okay, because we have this liquidity area, markets break, come down and break again. Then so market is just gonna go up again. Now see what happened. They bought here because of the inefficiency that we have on this zone, the inefficiency that is here. This is one thing you need to keep in mind. Try to understand, okay, we've got inefficiencies there, but what is the level of liquidity? Where is the level that is a strong, significant level where market is likely to go? For some people, when they see something like this, because they have the idea of saying, when market gets in the level of inefficiency, what they're gonna do, market is gonna start pushing up. Now, yes, market get there, push up. What happened on the next candlestick? Market shoot down. Market shoot down to where? Because market want to take out this liquidity. The market bought. Now check how market is buying, because we know this level. We need to mark this level as our strong level. We mark this level as our strong level. Market now is start buying. My just previous video, the one I post on YouTube, you see I talk about this one. So when market is buying, what do? We understand, okay, we are having a compression, that market is going up. That is a compression that is pushing markets up. But at the same time, if you understand properly Wyckoff, what you're gonna do, you know already markets come down, markets show the sign of, okay, now demand, they wanna take control of this market. The buyer, they wanna take control of this market. They show their presence already on this level. Then you check out this candlestick that goes down. Now, check what happened. Markets continue pushing up, push up, push up. How is the market pushing up? Market is pushing up in a channel. It's not like market is going up like the way it just went up like here. Market is going up in a channel on this side, just moving in a channel. But check what happened when markets get on the level of supplier, a strong level, a significant level, where they bought to sell. See what happened, how markets drop. So this is something you need to keep in mind. Try to understand how is the liquidity playing in the market. Because if you understand markets properly, you need to know supply and demand. You need to know Wyckoff. You need to know other strategy. I'm not against other strategy that people are using, but as long as you understand your strategy the way you are using it, then you're gonna be able to make money without even having stress. In the morning, we said the same thing. Because we have this channel that market is going up, but where is the target? Where is the target? Where is the target of this market since it starts selling from this level? The first target of this market, it has to be this one. That is the first target. Why this one is the first target? Because this is where these flags start. This is where this channel starts. So market has to return back to this level again. Let me delete these things. This is where market has to return on this area, because this is where this movement starts. So market has to return on this level. Then check what happened. Well, if we have our first target is here, okay, where are you gonna put the second target? This is something we need to keep also in mind. Where are you gonna put the target? We know, okay, market is targeting this level. If markets take out this level of liquidity, then what we're gonna do, we need to wait for this mitigation block. When markets return to this mitigation block, so that we can push again. Either market is gonna push again down. If market push again down, you need to keep in mind, you know, okay, I've got this area here is a strong area, and from there again, I've got this level here. If we can check the way they use that block before they go up, I can use this level because this is the last down candlestick before this up move, this candlestick here. I can mark this candlestick also. So this is the probability that I'm keeping for this market. I'm expecting market to go like this. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, market is gonna move like this if markets want to move. I'm expecting this. Sorry guys, let me move a bit because there is some noise outside there.
Yeah, can you please once check V75?
Yeah, don't worry, I'll do that. So if we can check, I'll mark all this level because I expect something from all these levels. When market starts going down, I'll mark, then I say, okay, if markets break this level, I know where is my next level. Then if we can check again down here, we've got a strong level of liquidity. The one that is here, we've got a strong level. Then we're gonna see maybe something like this. Markets come here, then from here, this is why we see market again buy up to this zone here because we have a mitigation block. Then the next thing is about this one. If we can check this one properly, if we go to daily time frame, you understand on daily time frame that we've got a strong level, this level here. This is a strong area of demand. Now, what is happening on this market? We know market for so many days, market was going down. But how do we go down? We've got a movement that is going down slowly, slowly. But where is the big picture where we understand that market is gonna go? Sorry, guys. So as you can check, this is what we expect. We expect something like this, market to come here down. You see, market to come down here, then market is gonna start pushing again up. But if you go and learn your stuff, let's say you go and learn supply and demand, you understand how supply and demand is working. Then you come here on this level, then you understand, okay, why is the market buying on this zone? Why did the market buy on this zone? Why do we push the markets up? So it's something that you need to keep in your mind. Go practice, try to do your best to understand the behavior of the markets, how market is moving. I saw my brother, you asked me about V75. You said what?
Yeah, V75, please.
Yeah, it's here, V75. Okay, what do you want me to explain in V75?
About the current market structure on V75.
Yeah, if you remember, I sent this this picture. I sent this picture in the group because this was my analysis, I think from yesterday, because I could see this level is a strong level of resistance, this area here. Then if we can check here, we've got the SRF. This is support resistance flips because this level was a support. Then markets come and break the same area. Here we could expect market to do what? Market to start coming down from this area. But check what happened, market get there and start pulling again back. Then it push again up to this level because it creates the echo on this area. Then market start doing what? Market start dropping. But if you can check properly, we've got this area here that market return to, because why? This is the last up candlestick that took out this level of liquidity. So market make sure return to this area. then start buying again. Then we can check how market is pushing up. So at the same time, we've got a strong level where we like to see the market to go. That is a strong level, is the one that is here up. I hope you see that.
Yeah, we saw that. Thank you.
Yeah, so what we're expecting for market to come and touch this level here. Then from here we see. But we don't have to forget about the big picture. If you can check, this is just like 1 hour. Then if you go to, let's say, to H4, you go to H4, then H4, you understand what is happening on H4. You know, okay, we've got liquidity up, liquidity down, then market is pushing again to the same level of liquidity. But on daily time frame, you know, okay, markets never return back to this area. So there is a probability of markets return back to this area. Or this one, if you can check, this one can be a continuation partner to do what? Push a market again to the downside. So you need to keep, so you need to keep all the stuff in your mind. As long as you understand what is happening on this level here, you know, this because we come from a distribution. We have the distribution that is here. The distribution is there. This can be a redistribution so that we go again down. Then you need to watch this one also and try to see how market is playing from this area. So this is just a probability of the way you are thinking, but the rest remain to the markets. What is market going to give you? Whether you're going to see market is going to do what? Push again up to this level that I mark on daily time frame. Then from there, market is going to come again down. So we need to keep on mind also and try to do what? To practice that one. I'm sure the last one is Nasdaq. Let me go maybe to this time frame. So on daily time frame, I was saying in my video that I was expecting us to come to this area. I mark this level here, then I'm sure I mark again this one also. So as you can check, this is the way NAS closed on Friday. But check what happened when NAS was selling. These things are so nice, guys. Check this movement of Nasdaq. This is
the NAS was a hard sell. This is really good trade NAS.
Yeah, this was but the way it's going to buy again also is going to buy properly, because when it want to buy, what it's going to do is going to focus more to take out all this.
Yeah, please let us know when you are trying analysis, when you see a buy zone, please let us know.
Yeah, don't worry, like always.
Yeah, you never tell us everything.
Yeah, so this is what we expected on NAS. If you can check Nasdaq return back to this area, like our strong level, bought again from here, goes up, check out all this level. Let me do like this. Take out this level, come and mitigate this area here. Then you can check market, get there, touch, then start going down. So where is going to be your main focus? Your main focus must be first one, the level where there is a liquidity. You focus where there is a liquidity, you take out all the liquidity, then market didn't stop from there. Then market just do what? Continue going down. Then goes down, 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 down. You see here, market give us a nice redistribution here. If we can check here, market give us a nice redistribution. Then next minute shoot down, mitigate the block there, then start going up. Return again back to the same zone. Maybe if you go to M15, then you understand properly. Return again back to the same zone here, then we are coming down. So for the next week, what is our focus? We know we've got this area here. We know we have this this candlestick, the one that is there. So what we're gonna do is just waiting for market to play on this one. I'm sure from that one, then it's gonna buy again. I'm sure it's gonna buy again, getting on this area here. Then when I see, anytime I see market return back to this area, this is why I'll focus more with my proper buy, because I know here we can take a buy. But let us not forget on daily time frame, what is happening on daily. Is the market finished to mitigate all the block that we see on daily time frame? Did market finish this one here? Or this area here? You see all this zone here. They're strong, but one thing you need to keep in mind, this is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is not like currency. It just depends if there is a good news in America there, then you see Nasdaq is gonna fly, just fly up. So let us check again USD GPY so you guys can see USD GPY. By the way, is there any question, guys, so that I can answer the question? Hello?
No, for me, no question. I just need to sit with my chart, analyze more in the start. But I understand what you was explaining about the index and this Nasdaq too.
Okay, yeah. So this is what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you guys today. It's just that the moment you backtest, then this is the time you understand the behavior of the market. Let's say if you like trade this USD GPY, then you understand that, okay, on the USD GPY, you know the behavior of USD GPY. When market get in your level of liquidity, when market get on the level of a strong, significant level, then you know that, okay, market is gonna get on this area, then market is going to buy, you know. So as you can check on this area, we've got a strong area of liquidity. Then we've got again a strong level of liquidity that is down here where market was playing. Then check what happened. Market shoot up, come down, goes again up on that area, then sell. If you remember, this is what I just explained when I start this meeting. I explained to you how the banks they're doing. They'll focus to take out this up. They'll take up this up movement and they'll take out the movement down here. Then push the markets there because they have a block that they need to mitigate. They have maybe a level of inefficiency that they need to mitigate and come down again. So when they come down again, you see now they push again up where to come and mitigate. If we can check, they come and mitigate, they mitigate this area here. Now they shoot again down. So this is something you need to keep in mind. You need to keep in mind properly. So I hope everything is clear so far.
Okay, can you go to V25, the market structure V25?
V25, V25. V25 is there. Okay, what do you want on V25? To know where market is going?
Yes, because from the daily, I'm seeing that it created a high there. So I want to know what's the market structure, where it's supposed to go.
No, the only one thing that you need to understand about this is just, let's say we keep this area. Do you see where market is start selling?
Yes.
So if we keep like this, let's say we keep it like this. If you understand properly, you know that this level, this area here, let me do something fast. Yeah, so if you understand, you know, this is the level, it's a level like a support level. This level, which was a support level, then market goes up. You see, this is what they call S. Then, if we come this side, this is become what?
Resistance.
This is become a resistance because market returned to this area and this become resistance. This is what we call SR flip. Why? Because market makes sure to return. Market makes sure to return and mitigate this area here. Let me show you here. Market makes sure return and mitigate this area here. Then this is why you see market is doing. But if you check the overall of this market, we're still in a downtrend. So the bias of this one, we are on a downtrend. Here, because market use this level, because it's a strong level of a supplier level. That is the SR flip. This is why markets return. And check what happened. When markets get on this area, market already starts selling without even like waiting or whatever. Now,
Supply zone.
one thing also that we can have in mind, we need to come and mark this level. We know this level from here to this down. What is a strong level? A strong level is only this area here. That is why there is a strong level. So market has come on this level here. Then we're gonna push up with it. That is it. So if you are in this trade, if you took this trade as a sell from the top here, I'm telling you, you're in a good trade.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is you need to keep on mind. Try to understand why is the market selling on this level. Market doesn't sell because it needs to sell. It sells for a reason. And you can ask yourself a question. This is a strong area. Why market didn't sell here? Because market could sell from this level. Because we've got a strong level on top here. The SR flip. That is why market starts selling from that area. And if we can check all this area here, nice strong area. Market took it out and goes up. Because we remain like with 1 minute, I'm sure. Yes, guys, any question, any question?
So I want to ask, since let's say from 30 March up until 4 July, I see there is an accumulation there. So I want to know when are we likely going to get a distribution?
No, remember, get the distribution in a strong level, like a significant level. I can even tell you maybe the distribution can happen on this area here. Maybe we got something like this. Let me just draw it for you. Maybe from here, this is why we get the distribution. What is that drawing? Maybe from here, this is why we get a distribution. From here, then we come down again. Or we can get maybe, let's say, what we can get maybe on this level, maybe we can get what you call reaccumulation, you know, then markets drop to this level, then shoot up. It's possible. So one thing you need to keep in mind is just marking this level, mark this level again. Now you know this level is a bit up than this one. So let me show you something. Let's say markets come here, buy, give us a test there, come down, give us a sign of weakness, then goes up, give us a uptrust, then come down again, then goes up again, then from upside, then we mitigate this area here. You know, when we mitigate that area there, what you do, then we come down again. This is when we need distribution. So if we get, let's say, reaccumulation, you know already this is buy climax. So what we are waiting here for automatic rally, a reaction. The market goes up there for a test, come down again, because this is going to be a test. Then come down again, give us maybe the uptrust action. Then come down, the last one, this is what you call a spring. We have a spring on that area. We have a spring on this area, then market goes up. Then because of this strong level, market now start giving us another small correction here, what we call the SOS. That is a sign of strength. Then from the sign of strength, then we see market push up. So you just need to see, okay, what is the movement? Because we are coming from accumulation, then what is happening next? What is happening next can be reaccumulation. Then we push again to the upside. So if we go, let's say we go to weekly time frame, you know, okay, we have been buying for so long. Then we got here, we touched this area, then market start pulling back. By the way, tomorrow we're gonna have a new weekly candlestick. So now from that new weekly candlestick, then we understand what is going to happen. And the market is gonna come to this area because this is the weak block. The market is gonna push up again. So we need to keep that also in mind. So guys, today I'm not there to teach you all the stuff because I know part of the students, they are also in this meeting, they're gonna kill me. Then the only thing is just, if you wanna join a mentorship, we are not forcing anyone or pointing a gun on anyone. It's just a commitment to people. I'm doing whatever I'm doing because I wanna see everyone doing better.
Sir,
I wanna see everyone going forward
sir,
and understand the market. Yes, yes.
if I join your mentorship, then will you teach me from beginning? I mean, price action, because I am very new here.
I'll teach you why market buy from this level, why market return here, why market
No,
after
no,
breaking
not
this. So I'll teach you from the beginning, but I don't teach candlestick. I'll teach you what is making the market move.
okay.
Yeah, so I'll teach what makes the market move. I'll show
Okay.
you when you need to buy and when you need to sell. So the aim of this meeting was just to remind people that, okay, there is people that are saying, okay, you know the market, why are you not focusing on just making money? Yes, I can focus on making money. I don't give a shit about anyone. But one thing that you need to keep in mind is if we don't help others, because let's say if I say I'm gonna run a free mentorship today, no one will make effort to know even whatever I'm gonna show them. I share more valuable information in my YouTube, but you see people don't even understand them. Why? Because they haven't put something on it. When they put something on that, like when they invest somewhere money, the person already, his mind is gonna change. He's gonna say, okay, because I invest my money somewhere, I wanna make sure I don't lose my money like the way I give that person money. You see the person change. Guys, the information I'm teaching is the same information that WW they are teaching, the same information that snipers they are teaching, but go and ask the price of their mentorship. It's almost like 1,600 pounds. But I make it cheap. My aim is for everyone to know whatever I know also. So if you think like, okay, this guy is just gonna come and give us the mentorship for free, just go to my YouTube and learn for free. But if you want me to come and sit with you and teach you whatever I know, to show you properly what I know and how you need to use it, then you must join my mentorship. So this is what I want to tell you guys. I'm not forcing anyone to join my mentorship. I'm not gonna come to the group and force people, no, join, like the way we see on other groups. I don't do that. So I want someone to join because you want to join. Not me forcing someone to join the mentorship and tomorrow come and say, oh, this guy forced me to join the mentorship. No, I don't do that. I don't do that. Me, I just want you guys by yourself, then you understand that, okay, I'm joining this mentorship because I want to be part of the mentorship. I hope I'm clear, guys. Hello?
Yeah. We are here still.
Yeah, so I'm gonna send you guys this video so that you guys can go and try to play. So I'm sure probably I'm gonna post it in my YouTube. Then you guys can take the link from the YouTube, and from there you're gonna be able to see what we did today and how you can also use it to your trading journey. But all of you guys are more than welcome if you wanna join my mentorship. Thank you for being in the meeting for today. Then I'll see you again next week. I'm gonna do another market review with you guys again. Then we're gonna see from the trade that I'm gonna take. Then the next week, then Saturday we go again through the review of all the trades I took. Then I'll give you guys the reason of why I took those trades. Then so that you guys also can be able, when you see the same logic in the market, then you know how you are going to approach it.
That's okay. Thank you for the time you give us today.
Chap. Thank you.
Yeah.
I wanna see face who is talking because I wanna see you. Maybe we can write a message in the
Okay.
group.
My hair is Okay. Wait, I don't got picture here. You will see I am on the group, the new group with you. Not the mentorship, the other one.
Which one?
The signal.
Okay, this is the signal.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Sup.